Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most popular naked bikes in the world, the 2026 Yamaha MT-07. Known for its thrilling performance, sharp styling, and everyday usability, the MT-07 has been a favorite for riders of all levels. The 2026 model refines its formula with modern updates while keeping the raw excitement intact. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 MT-07 continues its aggressive Streetfighter look with sharper LED headlights, muscular tank shrouds, and a more sculpted tail section. Yamaha has introduced new color options and lightweight alloy wheels, giving the bike a fresh yet familiar appeal. The ergonomics remain rider-friendly, blending sporty posture with daily comfort. Performance and powertrain. At its heart, the MT-07 retains the beloved 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned for smoother power delivery and better efficiency. The lightweight frame ensures agility, while revised suspension settings improve handling in both urban and twisty road conditions. Yamaha's refined fuel mapping also enhances throttle response and rideability. Safety and technology. For 2026, the MT-07 gains a new TFT display with smartphone connectivity, updated riding modes, and improved ABS calibration. Yamaha has also added optional traction control for greater confidence in variable conditions. LED lighting across the bike boosts visibility, while intuitive controls keep the focus on the ride. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 remains a leader in the middleweight naked bike class, combining excitement, practicality, and value. Whether commuting, cruising, or carving corners, this new MT-07 is built to thrill. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news and reviews.